judge was appalled when these greedy parents used their disabled son's trust fund to buy themselves a house.
Do you serve as the trustee of the Supplemental Needs Trust for the benefit of Jonathan Justin Jasso Jr.?
Yes.
And does anyone serve as your co-trustee?
Yes, my husband, Jonathan.
Thank you. Could you respond to the judge's concerns around the line of credit and the payments that you're all making?
Yes. So originally we had petitioned with the court to utilize a line of credit instead of utilizing the trust funds to purchase the home as a creative way to try and help the trust grow faster. That was not actually able to go through in the time needed to close the home. So then we were able, it was suggested by our attorney at the time to go ahead and purchase the home with the trust funds, but then we're not able to take trust funds and put it back into the liquidity line of credit. So then we are not able to do that because the trust is invested in a stock portfolio. So we're basically going to just be paying back the trust instead of utilizing that line of credit. So there's not going to be interest or anything accrued on that line of credit. It's going to be the same concept. It's just going to be now those payments go straight to the trust.
I'm confused. Did you use trust fund monies to purchase the house?
Yes.
But you didn't have authority to do that. You had authority to use it as leverage for a line of credit. That was a very specific request because the trust funds are supposed to be used just for him. And so when there's the idea that it's going to be used for the entire family or for the parents, generally speaking, I don't approve that. Paragraph number 7 specifically says petitioners are requesting authority to use trust assets as collateral for a line of credit to purchase the home. So Ms. Kelly looks like maybe a violation of what was approved.
Jonathan will be living with us for the rest of his life. I mean, that's always been, is my understanding, been transparent.
It's not, I'm not concerned about that. It's just that those funds need to be used for him. So if there was a portion of those funds that would go to specifically putting together something like an area where he would be living in or special aspects of the construction, that's understandable.
We didn't have room in our other home. The reason that we purchased a home was because the home that we were in was specifically to get him access to the autism center, which ultimately led us to this settlement.
So was the amount of the trust fund that you used the entire purchase price for this property?
Yes, we pay the taxes, we pay the utilities, we pay for the upgrades to the house.
I'm looking forward to understanding better how this all occurred. What I'd like to do, Ms. Kelly, is adjourn this for a month and ask you to put something together with your clients that accurately reflects what occurred as a use of the authority that was granted by the petition for authority to use trust assets, and what the current arrangements are, what the funds were paid for me to review before I approve this.